SkiMum checking out the early snowstorm. Heading up to Bachelor. It's September 19th and the storm started last night and the roads are treacherous. We just saw a truck off the road, so don't come up here. It's too dangerous. Okay, it's actually fairly treacherous. See the roads? It's pretty treacherous. And what were we saying? I don't have my shovel in my pack. It's the beginning of the season, see? And what else do we fear? We don't have chains.
No chains, no shovel.
We don't have our studs on yet.
Should have thought ahead.
Thought ahead. But this is why you do these little practice runs, so you can get yourself ready for ski season because it's coming. Except for next week we'll be sunbathing. And then later it'll come because it's September 18th. Okay. Feels like when you get up here the first time and it's snowing out there and you're all warm in your car. You're like, do I really want to do it?
Yeah.
Do I still like it? I'm gonna put my boots on. Get on.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see.
Gotta take your skirt off.
Get out of my skirt, put on some pants. SkiMum here. It is September 19th, 2017, and we have a snowstorm up at Bachelor. A lot. But be very careful. We're staying on the Ren, and we're going to come down our own track, so we might even wear our skins, because you got to watch out. There's stuff under the snow, but it's really beautiful. We'll be sunbathing next week. My ego really wants to ski the cone, but I'm not going to do it because there's submerged objects. I have all the whole season. We're skiing. This early September snowstorm is a real treat for winter enthusiasts. But remember, be careful because there are trees and rocks just under the snow surface. You got to give it some time to get those covered out to be safe. Have fun. Get out there. SkiMum out.